Hello and assalamu alaikum friends. So in this clip, I will show you how you can use LinkedIn to get scholarships. But first of all, I will share my personal experience that how I used LinkedIn and got scholarships of many countries. So you can also use it for hunting the scholarships. I got scholarships for USA, and USA I got scholarships for Virginia Tech University, George Mason University, and University of Nebraska. And I chose the University of Nebraska for further procedure and got my admission letter, offer letter, and also received my I-20 form for visa process. After that, I received scholarships from Canada. In Canada, I got scholarships from Quebec University, that is in Ontario City. I also got admission letter, offer letter, and also other documents for the visa. I also got scholarships from Spain. In Spain, I got scholarships from UPNA University. Similarly, I got scholarships from Turkey. From Turkey, I got scholarships for Medipol University. Similarly, I got scholarships from South Korea, Taiwan, China, UK, and Ireland, and there are a few other countries as well from where I got scholarships, and that all is possible due to the LinkedIn. I just used LinkedIn, which is very simple process. I will show you how you guys can use it for your own purpose, for your own hunting up scholarships. So there are three main basic steps for achieving the scholarships using the LinkedIn. The first step is very easy. You just need to have a LinkedIn account. If you don't have a account, you can make it within a few minutes. It's really simple. The second step is you need to make a connection or send friend requests to the professors of your own field. So how you can search the professors of your own field and send requests to them, I will show it in a while. And the third step is you just simply need to search about the posts using the LinkedIn. So it is really very simple process. You can get scholarships easily and soon using the LinkedIn if you want. So I will share these few steps, and yeah, you can try it by your own. It's really simple and really helpful. So let's start about the process. So let's try the LinkedIn. First of all, you need to send request. The first step is you have to create an account on LinkedIn that you can make it easily. The second step is you need to search the professors of your own field and then send requests to them. So how you can send requests to the professor of your own field? You need to type in the search bar about your own field. For example, my field is electrical engineering, so I will type here electrical engineering, and after that I have to type the word professor. So you can type your own field. For example, if you are from electrical, you are from civil engineering, you are from chemical background, biology, medical, every field is available here. After that, you have to select the filter of people. Press the people filter, and you will see a lot of professors that are of your own field. For example, a professor of electrical and computer engineering, Ibrahim. Professor Ibrahim is in the field of electrical and computer engineering. Similarly, Kamesh is another professor of electrical engineering at University of North Texas. Uh, Ahmed is assistant professor in electrical engineering. There are many professors of my own field. So you just simply need to send a request to them using the connect button. Click on this button, and you need to send the request to them. Now if you have you want to write a note and send request to them, so you have to press the add a note button. And if you just simply want to send a request without any notes, so press this button. Similarly, you need to make connections with these professors, send requests to as many professors as possible. After that, you have to type here about, for example, assistant professors. Professors are already written. And now you will see a lot of assistant professors. For example, Arsalan is assistant professors in the field of electrical engineering. Amir is another professor, assistant professor in electrical engineering in Cork University. Similarly, there are a lot of assistant professors in your own field. You can search about your own field. I'm from electrical engineering, so I got professors for my own field. And you need to send requests to a lot of people. I already sent requests to many professors, assistant professors, so I don't need any other connection. For your own purpose, you have to send requests to all of them. The third one is, for example, if you further want to connect to the lecturers your own field, so you can also search about the lecturer as well. So you will see many lecturers. Again, you have to click on the people filter, and now you will see many lecturers. For example, you can see that Mr. Ali is lecturer in electrical engineering. There are a lot of other members as well that are lecturers, and you have to send requests to them. So this is the first step, that how you can find the professors of your own field and send requests to them. Now let's move toward the second step. Now, the next step is that how you can use LinkedIn to search about the scholarship positions, either for PhD or master's or bachelor's. I did my master's in electrical engineering, and I am in search of PhD position. So I will show you the process for PhD scholarships, and after that I will show you how you can find the master scholarships. And also, I will show you in the last bit how you can find the scholarships for your bachelor's. And again, as I told you that my background is electrical engineering, so I will search for electrical. Okay, and you can search for masters or bachelors as well. For example, let's move first of all for the PhD position, and note this point that you will not see these costs because if you don't have the connections with the professors, assistant professors or lecturers, so you will not see a lot of these costs. So as you make as many connections as possible, you will see many posts related to the scholarships. Now let's come toward the main point. First of all, you have to search about your own field. My field is electrical engineering, and after that I am in search of PhD position. So I type here electrical engineering PhD position. After that, you have to select the posts filter. Okay. Now let's see that are there any PhD position. Now, here the first one is we have let's explain it. We are thrilled to unveil new opportunities for PhD and postdoc positions currently available for application. So this is the first position, and that is published 4 days ago. You can see here. Now let's move toward the next position. Here, Professor Syed Ali Hassan shared another PhD position. I am looking for two motivated PhD students to start from fall 2023 at IPT Lab 6 NUST. The Electrical Engineering Department at 6 has been declared as the best ranked department. Okay, so this is another PhD position, and and he also shows that how you can apply for the position. The position will be funded by NUST scholarships covering the entire tuition fee and monthly stipend. Please apply to NUST website by official deadline at May and send me your CV profiles at this email address. Okay, this is the second position. You can see another position here that is published 3 hours ago. This position is published 10 months ago. So you need to search about the new position. For example, the deadline for this PhD position may be expired. So you have to search about the new PhD positions which are active. So for that you have to select the date posted filter, okay, and select the past month scholarship. And now let's see that are there any scholarships available in the past month. It is clear that this is the 4 days ago scholarship post. Here it is 3 hours ago post. You can see and this is another post which is published 3 weeks ago. Okay, so this is how you can use LinkedIn to search about the PhD positions for the past month. You can also search about the past week and about the posts that are published 24 hours ago. Similarly, my major is electrical engineering, but my research field is wireless communication. Okay, so let's see that is there any positions for wireless communication PhD position. So let's see that is there any post. Again, you can see that here one post is published 1 day ago, looking for rockstar engineers to join our team in Singapore. This is another post which is published 2 weeks ago. You can see a lot of scholarships here and LinkedIn using this method. Now you can use the same method for funding scholarships for masters and bachelors as well. You simply need to click the MS instead of PhD position and BS position for bachelors instead of PhD position. And you can also search about the scholarships using the jobs option. Simply enter here, for example, electrical engineering PhD position. Okay, enter it. After that, you have to select the area where you want to find the scholarship. For example, if I choose the Denmark, you can see here the PhD positions. For example, PhD position and the role of power to X in transforming district heating, PhD scholarships in efficient numerical modeling, PhD scholarships in microfabrication. There are many posts available for the Denmark. You can see here. Now, if you want, for example, to search PhD position, for example, in Finland, okay, let's try it. So you can again see that there are a lot of PhD positions. For example, doctoral researcher, this is the first position. PhD student, innovative doctoral education ecosystem for photonics. This is another position. You can see a lot of PhD positions for Finland as well. If you want to search for another country, for example, like for, let's try Switzerland and see. Yeah, and again, you can see there are a lot of PhD positions and postdocs for 6G communication and sensing. the PhD students are postdoc and analog and RFIC design PhD or postdoc. So that's how you can use LinkedIn for finding the PhD positions of my field, that is electrical engineering. You can try your own field. First, you have to make connections with the professors of your own field, which I show you that how you can find the professors of your own field. Then you can find the PhD positions using the search bar and apply for different positions. So that's all about this lecture, that how you can find scholarships using LinkedIn. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment sections as well. And I will also paste my email address, so you can ask me any questions if you have through my email address. Thank you very much once again.